Natay duha ka methods of photographing the crime scene. The overlapping method and the progressive method. The overlapping method is the taking a series of photographs in a circular or clockwise direction, whereas the progressive method taking crime scene photographs starting from a fixed point, photographing each piece of evidence from general to specific as the photographers move towards it and progressively getting closer. So sa overlapping class, nag-circular or clockwise direction, pwede siya mag-start sa kanang outer nga part, padung siya sa pinakatunga or diha siya mag-start sa pinakatunga hantod padung siya sa outside nga part o outer part. Sa progressive method is starting from a fixed point. So sama sa kanang nagtanom class. So ana siya mag-start hangtod nga maabot siya sa pikas. So from a fixed point or getting closer from general to specific. For the sequential photographs of the crime scene, each crime has individual feature that should be photographed. And keep in mind the nature of the offense and try to show those features that establish the elements of the offense. For the following photographs that should be taken, first, views of the exterior of the building or vehicle with relation to other buildings or vehicles, roads or streets. For the kuan siya class, no? General view. Next is the point of entry. So sa points of entry class, no? Outside and inside imuhang kuhaan o photograph. And of course, the point of exit, ang outside ug inside pod kuhaan gyapon nimo og photograph. Like for example, diha siya point of entry, diha siya ni sud ni agi sa bintana. So adto ka magkuha og kanang photograph sa sulod ug ari pod sa gawas. Ya, pwede nga ni gawas pod siya diha mismo sa pultahan. So mo nay point of exit nga iyahang giagian. So mo gyapon imong kuhaan og photograph outside and inside nga part. Then the conditions of the crime scene. Kuhaan unsa nimo class og photograph para makita nimo ang condition sa crime scene if ever nga nagkatag ang mga gamit or kanang naay kanang mark class nga or timailhan class nga naay kanang grabbing force nga gigamit. Maybe nisukol ang biktima kanang nayugay sila, nangatumba ang mga gamit dito, or brutal ang klase sa pagpatay sa biktima. Area from which valuable articles were removed, labi na sa crimes against property, articles left at the scene, labi na ang ilahang una nga motibo class is ang pagpangawat. Unya kay nabantayan sa biktima ni sokol ang biktima hinungdan sa kamatayon sa biktima. So kasagaran una ging lang motibo kawat. Tulis kawat. And then mabantayan sokol. So moy kasagaran nga mahitabo. Then trace evidence such as hairs, fibers, and cigarette butts. These trace evidence class which were linked to the suspects. Like for example, nahabilin baron yan chinilas, nahabilin baron, usa na sa gi-mention diri, ang buhok niya nakita dito sa crime scene. Even mo limod, no, mo deny, todo deny ang kanang suspitsado class, but dili siya makalimod o maka-deny sa science. We have the tools in forensic science
given
in order to examine those evidences.
bullet, kung ang given bullet class na-determine ninyo is fired upon a 45 caliber pistol, then kung
Next
ang
is
firearm class is
toll marks
also
and
a
impressions of shoes
45
or tire tracks.
caliber
So,
firearm, then
ipotograph usad ninyo class ang mga
procedure
tire marks kung nagamit og bisikleta, motorsiklo, o uban pa nagsakyanan, or naglakaw lang ba, nagchinilas, nagsapatos. Like for example, ang tunob, no, ang shoe mark sa maong suspitsado padung anang balaya.
So there is a probability na yung
So muna nga matrace gihapon pinaagi sa impressions sa iyahang shoes or tire tracks.
then you are now going
Next,
to
fingerprints and
procedure
footprints,
number 3, that
as
is
well as
to
articles
test
on which
fire
these prints
of
may
the
be found,
suspected firearm.
labi na kung nagtiniil or nihikap dito sa mga glossy objects
Using our
ang mismo nga subject. So dali ra kayo finger ano to nga dali ra kayo mo pilit, no, o finger magnet
based on
ang mga glossy objects,
specimen. So kung
or pwede sad sa mga rough objects pero nagkinahanglan sila og nagkinahanglan sila og powder para mas maklaro ang reads sa ato ang fingerprint.
test fire, you have to
For the specific situations and instances to be photographed in the crime scene,
the bullet
so will be discussed in the next chapter.
be
First, no, ato sang i-discuss ang standard operating procedures in photographing the crime scene. Mo ni ang gibasihan pod sa ato ang SOCO, Scene of Crime Operations.
the word test. So kung
First, photograph the entire scene or the general view to include nearby surroundings pertinent to the case, indicating the case number, the date and time, and the initials of the photographer. So sa general view class, no,
para ma-determine
apilon gina nimo ang uban pa nga nearby surroundings. So ako na nang gi-mention ganiha,
bullets were test
and then unsay case number, the date and time,
with the last two digits being appeared on the marking.
and the initials of the photographer. Like for example, ang nag-take og photograph si kaning Alvin Barlas, so EB.
Of this marking class is for you
Then take an overlapping shot of the immediate scene for 4 different angles. For better nga shots class, you can take in different angles. So you can use the overlapping method of photographing the crime scene in a circular nga or clockwise direction.
recover the bullet.
Next is photograph the entrance and exit of the crime scene katong sa point of entry and exit niya, inside and outside. Photograph the body of the victims or suspect, showing the exact location, direction where it tends, and after removal of the body, take a photograph of the scene with a white outline to indicate the place where the victim was lying.
You can now
Sabi na after i-remove ang body, kinahanglan mohimo ka og sketch.
the bullet was fired
Not necessarily nga may laki ka mo drawing
expected
or may laki ka mo sketch dito.
So unsa may basihan nyo
Take close-up photographs of the body showing the face for proper identification.
individual marks.
Take mid-range and close-up photographs of all pieces of evidence found at the crime scene with a measuring tool or scale if necessary, including the case number, date, and the initials of the photographer.
From the test bullet 1, test
So, importante sa class nga
3, and with
labi na sa mga ebidensya nga
found
imuhang i-measure, no?
given
Ang kanang skill o measurement sa mao nga mga evidence. Like for example, para mahibaw-an class, no?